Manchester School of Architecture. So the teacher invites people from all over the world. We had this talk on alien intelligence, which is AI. And then we had like Jim Barton, who talked about making a job for yourself and like how do you do certain things. We had architect Glenn Howells that came to talk about architecture. We had like our head of school along with another architect, and just a bunch. And then AI hybrid craft session. We also got to talk with people from Henning Larsen, and then we had a workshop, A Sense of Place. I went to that workshop. I'm in the middle there, but we explored basically model making quickly on a urban scale of how we experience a place. So it's called, the workshop name is Sense of Place, and we just did the models.
Right.
And then we had like an open seminar with a senior architect in Henning Larsen. So we talked about different things. We also had a hybrid craft. That's me talking to the guy. It's not here, but I can look. It used my pavilion to kind of explore and develop a AI project. So he kind of taught us how to use Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and he kind of wanted us to incorporate AI into our workflow. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Oh yeah, and then we also have we call it ADD sessions, so architectural design technologies. That kind of every Wednesday we get to learn about a particular software. So I go to this quite often too. So we have Python. So we learn about V-Ray Rhino. This was really helpful, V-Ray Rhino, because that's kind of what helped me to do the like these renders here.
Yeah.
So that was
V-Ray is a great add-on to any 3D modeler. I really love the effects of that V-Ray. It's pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it.
Yeah,
I've played around with it a bit.
And then this was a so basically it went from a hand sketch. So I did a quick sketch on stage of my design, which is the fire performer and the Ginkgo leaf. And then so we developed that using Midjourney. So he taught us like prompt engineering, how to use Midjourney, and then we slowly develop the pavilion with AI, and then slowly.
These are amazing.
Yeah, and then he brought it into Stable Diffusion once we had a good section. So this was a section, and then we brought it into Stable Diffusion and like rendered it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I can see why you're so thrilled and excited. This has just been such a rich experience.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's like so much opportunities everywhere, and like I can't stop learning, and I love learning, so it's quite
I know you do. Like you used to get up at 5 in the morning to like work on your portfolio before you went to school. Such dedication. Oh, you must be just thrilled.
And then I also went to like OMA lectures from RIBA, and then a bunch of different lectures here and there. Basically, just a bunch. Yeah, there's a bunch of.
Oh, this is your Instagram.
Yeah, that's my account. Yeah.
And you keep your Instagram up. Wow.